I just saw this bathroom sign in Next and I thought I can make that really easily with my 3mm aluminium wire and some coated pliers. Alright, so each of these words, soak, relax and unwind, are about 19.5 centimetres tall. So I'm just going to draw on my desk as a nice little guide. Then I'm just going to use the shape of that S. I might actually have this in my bathroom. Why not? Okay, so it's going a little bit more like that. That needs to be a little bit more. Yes, there we go. Now we're going to start the O. I don't particularly love this O and A combo. The O and the A, we're going to do exactly the same. So I'm just going to bend that. So you've done SO, and then the A goes like that, okay. Hey. I don't know if that's, I've got to do it. I've got to do this A properly. Just make it look a lot better. There we go. All right, that's fine. And then it's like that. And then we're going to go up with the K. Go like that. I'm going to have to do a little bit different because I have a continuous wire. So I'm going to be doing a K like this. We've got a bunny ear K. It's going to be nice. It's going to be really nice. Okay then. The other one does go downwards, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to just chop the end here. We've got the soak. There we go. We've got the soak. I'm sorry it's got a little bunny ear on the K. The rest of it is very similar. I'm going to do this exactly like the other one, so I'm going to do the R like that. The E is not attached, so we won't attach that. Excellent. And then that is like down, like that. And I'm going to cut that a little bit long, and then I can always cut it shorter if I want to. I don't usually do any of my letters like uncontinuous, but let's go for it. So then we're going to have the E like that. So this is going right up. That it looks a bit square. Do the loop of the L and then down. Just gonna kind of straighten this a bit. And the L goes completely up, and then it kind of goes down and around the R. So down around the R and then back up to an A, which is kind of below the E. That's nice. And oh, the X. So we're going to have to go up and back because it's a continuous wire, everybody. I'm going to pop this round the back. Like that. And then cool. Can't really do it like that, but that one is very much like up like that. Nice. Okay, let's just see if that goes together. And unwind. And there we go. Not too bad. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. Would you have this in your bathroom wall? How long did it take me? Let's have a look. Okay, it took me 20 minutes. And then I will probably go over these just to make sure that we don't have any like squarey bits anywhere. But that's pretty good. And I just got this wire from Amazon. I think you could do it very easily too. So I'll link the materials below. Instead of buying something for your bathroom from a generic shop, why not make it yourself? If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I would really like that, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I bring out new videos multiple times a week. If you like wire letter work, then you're gonna love this video. I'll see you there.